यापूर्वी आपण रेशिओ ऑफ एरिया ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल्स, त्यानंतर BPT, त्यानंतर अँगल बायसेक्टर प्रॉपर्टी, बायसेक्टर प्रॉपर्टी of a triangle, and its converse. हे शिकलो आणि यांचे प्रूफसुद्धा करून पाहिले. तुम्ही घरी एक एक प्रॉपर्टी घेऊन त्याचा प्रूफ आपल्या मनाने पूर्ण करण्याचा प्रयत्न करायचा. आता शिकतोय आपण प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ 3 पॅरलल लाईन, प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ 3 पॅरलल लाईन्स and their transversals हे शिकणार. प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ 3 पॅरलल लाईन्स अँड देअर ट्रान्सव्हर्सल्स. मग याचं स्टेटमेंट किंवा थेरम बघू. कधी कधी परीक्षेमध्ये विचारतात. त्या द रेशो of the intercepts made on a transversal transversals by the 3 parallel lines is equal to the ratio of corresponding intercepts made on any other transversal by the same parallel line. In short, the intercept made by the same parallel lines on the 2 distinct transversals. Now considering here, try to understand the statements of the property of 3 parallel lines and their transversal with the help of a figure. Now consider that here the figure, line L, this is another line M, and third one is that line L. These are the lines are parallel to one another. L is parallel to M and M is parallel to L. Now take any two transversal. Suppose that this is one of the transversal T1 and take another transversal. This is T1 and T2 are the two transversal. Intersect line L in point A, line M in point B, and at line N in point C. T2 intersects line L in point P, line M in point Q, and line N in point R. Then T1 and T2 are the transversal, and line L parallel to line M and parallel to line N. Then the intercept made on this transversal, on the transversal T1, intercept made on the transversal T1, it is AB, and another is that BC. And the intercept made by the transversal on the transversal T2 by the parallel lines L, M and N are PQ, and another is that QR. These are. So it means that the intercept made on the transversal T1 is equal to the intercept made on the transversal T2 by the same parallel line, that is by the same parallel line, that is L, M and N. It means that we have to prove, that is we have AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR. म्हणजे T1 आणि T2 दोन ट्रान्सव्हर्सल्स आहे. AB हा एक इंटरसेप्ट आहे आणि BC हा इंटरसेप्ट आहे. T2 हे दुसरं ट्रान्सव्हर्सल्स आहे. PQ आणि QR हे इंटरसेप्ट मेड बाय द सेम पॅरलल लाईन. तेव्हा आपल्याजवळ काय मिळेल, रेशिओ ऑफ द इंटरसेप्ट ऑफ T1 is equal to ratio of the intercepts of T2, that is AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR. So now आपण याचा प्रूफ बघू. सो टू प्रूफ करतो आहे. मग पहिल्यांदा गिवन फिगर पाहून लिहायचं. लाईन L पॅरलल लाईन M parallel line N. T1 and T2 are transversal. Are transversals. T1 and T2 are transversal. Transversal T1, transversal T1 intersect the lines in points A, B, C. Transversal T2 intersects the lines in points P, Q, R. अंडरलाइन करूंगी. गिवन टू प्रूव ratio of the intercepts of T1 is equal to AB upon BC. Ratio of the intercepts of transversal T2, that is PQ upon QR. PQ. When it is possible? When the intercept made by the same parallel lines, PQ upon QR. Here is intercept made on T1, it is by line L, M and N. And here the intercept made by T2, it is the same line, that is L, M and N. So this is to prove. आता आपण जॉईन करू P आणि C ला. Join P and C or draw P and C. Draw. It intersect end point D to the line on the line M. So now proof. Draw PC intersect line M line M in point D. आपण यापूर्वी पाहिलं की बा मी जे आधीचे ज्या प्रॉपर्टीज शिकलो त्याच प्रॉपर्टीवर हे स्टेटमेंट समोरचे स्टेटमेंट प्रूव्ह करायचे आहे. मग मी इथे पाहतो मी रेशिओ ऑफ एरिया ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल इथे लागू पडते का नाही. BPT बघू. अँगल BPT means we have to provide a one line parallel to the side of a triangle. If it is possible, we will see next time. Under angle bisector property, here is no concern with the angle bisector property. It means that this will be proved with the help of the BPT, basic proportionality theorem. So now first point, how to use that? बघायचं कसं का वापरतो बा BPT. मग मी हा ट्रायंगल घेतो. इन ट्रायंगल A C P. This is a triangle. We know that BD parallel to AP. म्हणजे या ट्रायंगलमध्ये ही साईड याला पॅरलल आहे. मग जर एखादी साईड दुसऱ्या ट्रायंगलच्या साईडला पॅरलल असेल तर आपण कोणती प्रॉपर्टी वापरतो? दॅट वी यूज BPT. So therefore, in triangle, what we say? In triangle ACP, we have BD parallel to BD parallel to AP. फिगर पाहूनच प्रूव्ह करता येते. Then what we have? AB upon BC is equal to next PD upon DC, reason BPT. This is first, that is a BPT. Similarly, सेकंड ट्रायंगल तुम्हाला दिसेल. आय चूज दिस ट्रायंगल PCR. इन ट्रायंगल PCR, what we have? This is QD parallel to CR. So QD parallel to CR. So again, in triangle the sides are parallel. Then we use BPT. So we get this is PQ upon QR. So PQ upon QR is equal to, this is PD upon DC, PD upon DC. This is to be secant. So now here PD upon DC, here PD upon DC, it is equal. Therefore we have from 1 and 2 AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR. Therefore we have AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR. This is from 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Hence proved. So the ratio of the intercept made on a transversal by 3 parallel lines is equal to the ratio of the corresponding intercept made on other transversals by the same parallel lines. मग इथे बघायचं लाईन L parallel line M and parallel line M. T1 and T2 are the transversals. On T1 AB and BC are the intercept made by this line. On T2 PQ and QR is a intercept made by the same line. Then we say that AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR. When sometimes we have to solve the problem, we first observe that whether we are provided the 3 parallel lines and their intercepts, then we use the property of 3 parallel lines and their transversal, or the property of the intercept made by the 3 parallel lines on the transversal.